Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 3.7. Question number 2. One says, give me 100 friend, I shall then become twice as you. In other replies, if you give 10, I shall be 6 times as you. Tell me what is the amount of their capital. So two friends were there. So let us take the friends' names are X and Y. So the friend's name is X and Y we are taking. Now the first statement, one says, X says, give me 100 friend. X is asking to Y, give me 100 rupees. So if he gives 100 rupees, X will become X plus 100. Then it will be twice as you. If you give 100, I will be twice as you. So this will become twice as Y. That time Y would have become Y minus 100 because Y has given 100 rupees to X. So Y will become Y minus 100. That will be twice. That is a given question. I shall become twice as you. So X will become twice as Y value that time. This is our case 1. Now the second case, in other replies. Now Y is speaking. Y is standing here and Y is speaking. What he is saying, if you give 10. So if you give 10, X should give 10 rupees to the Y. So Y will become Y plus 10. Then I shall be 6 times as you. Then it will be 6 times as X. That time X would have been X minus 10 because X has given 10 rupees to Y. So if you give 10, I will be 6 times as you means 6 times X minus 10 you should write. So from this only we are going to find the two equations now. From the first equation, we are going to find the first equation now. Here X plus 100, you just keep as it is X plus 100. Which is equal to 2 into Y, 2Y, and 2 into 100, 200. Minus symbol is there, so minus 200 you take. Bring all the variable to one side. So keep this X here. This plus 2Y, if you bring it to this side, that will become minus 2Y, which is equal to this minus 200, and this plus 100, if you take it into other side, that will become minus 100. Now X minus 2Y, which is equal to minus 300. So this is our first equation. Now from here we have to find the second equation. So we have Y plus 10 your side. This side 6 into X will become 6X. 6 into 10 will become 60. Bring all the X to one side, numbers to another side. So I am bringing Y to this side. Y I am bringing, here I am already having X. That's why I am bringing Y to this side. This will become minus Y. So here already we are having 10. So the minus 60, if you bring it to this side, it will become plus 60. So 10 plus 60 is 70, which is equal to 6x minus y. So this is our second equation. So any method we can use to solve these two equations. I am taking substitution method to solve it. So from the first equation, we are going to find the value for x. So x is equal to minus 300 plus 2y. So this x value I am going to substitute in our second equation. So substitute x value. So here 70, no need to do anything, keep as it is. 6 into x value, 6 into my x value is minus 300 plus 2y. This minus y, keep as it is. Next part, so 70, the 6 should be multiplied inside. 6 into 300 will be 6 3s are 18, the 2 zeros, and 6 2s are 12, so 12y. This minus y will come as it is. So here, this is a minus value. If we take it into this side, this will become plus. So 70 plus 1800, which is equal to 12 minus 1 will become 11y. So if you are adding these two numbers, 1800 plus 70, 1870, which is equal to 11y. So y is equal to 1870 by 11. So 11 table we can cancel. This one time. So this is 1 11s are 11, balance 7. 7 times this 0. So 170 is equal to 0 we are getting. So y value we are going to substitute in the first equation here. So we know that we got y is equal to 170. Let us substitute here now. So x is equal to minus 300 plus 2y that we already found from the first equation. Now take this minus 300 as it is. This plus 2 into y value, this 170 we have to write. So this is minus 300. So plus 2 table multiplication 0, 14, 4, balance 1, 3. So minus 300 plus 340 will give you 40. So x is equal to 40. So two friends capital are, the first friend would have the amount of 40 rupees and Y person had the amount of 170. So capital amount they are asking. So the capital amounts are 40 and 70. So that is your given question. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.